It was on the evening of February 4th, and my wife and I, we were on our way home from visiting a friend. And I think we were about 100 yards away from our driveway. My wife happened to look up into the sky and saw this object just appear out of nowhere. And when we drove past, a line of trees, I happened to look over and see it for myself and thought it was pretty strange. So I hit the gas, rushed to our driveway, and when I got the car parked, I jumped out. So I grabbed my phone, I jumped out, and started recording this object in the sky. And it came across the street and over my front yard relatively slow. So I knew it wasn't a comet or a meteor, and it definitely wasn't SpaceX. It wasn't a planet or anything like that. So, yeah, again, it crossed over the street into our yard, and it started to disappear and pretty much vanished into nothing. There was no sound, no nothing. And later, when I was getting ready to post this up, when I posted it on TikTok, I had found out that the same object was recorded in multiple states at roughly the exact same time. Some people have, called it a portal or, something to that effect. I can't say that's what it was, but I have no idea what to call it. And it just seemed very strange and odd to me. But yeah, in this video though, I normal speed, and the only edits were, I increased the brightness, but just basic edits like that. Nothing was added or anything like that at all. And the second half of the video, you'll see that I zoom in and slowed it way down, so you can get a better look at what's going on. But yeah, I have no idea what this is. Not a clue. I've never seen anything remotely close to this in my entire life.